Hello, tired of manually deleting temporary files and clearing your recycle bin to free up space? Windows 11 has an automated maintenance tool called Storage Sense. It silently clears cached junk, temporary installation files, and old downloads whenever your disk space gets low. Here is how to set it up step by step. First, click on your Start menu icon at the bottom of the screen and open the Settings Gear app. Under the System tab on the left sidebar menu, click on Storage on the right side panel. Locate the section titled Storage Management. Toggle the Storage Sense switch on the far right to on. To customize when and what it cleans, click directly on the Storage Sense row to open its Properties menu. Check the box next to Automatic User Content Cleanup. Under Run Storage Sense, click the drop-down menu and choose whether to run it every day, every week, or only when low on disk space. You can also set automatic schedules to empty your recycle bin and downloads folder after a set number of days. If this guide helped you, please like this video and subscribe to Tech Team for more quick tech walkthroughs. See you in the next one.